things I find interesting at color photography.
I'm hearing the thunder, I'm watching the rain, crying in the bed, I hide in my pain. I'm not afraid to get up and walk out of that door. They ain't gonna tell me what path I should take. They're not gonna stop me from doing things my way. I might have to dance around, might in the middle of the floor. I may sing a song, might be out of key. I'm hoping these memories don't fall on me, but I'll make me some new ones, sitting in the middle of the floor. The pain's been off, these walls around me, but I'm still smiling, still got hell I need. Got a bottle of red, and it's sitting lit in the middle of the floor. The light's coming on, and the storm passes over. I'm feeling the calm with the weight off my shoulder. Everything is right when I'm sitting in the middle of the floor. We think we know a lot in life, but we don't know the half about what people go through, how they wind up on different paths. I knew him in the crowd over the evil he endured, not knowing how to cope, not knowing what's in store. A man of good virtue, something lost on this world, how to move on after the loss of his girl. Lives within the days when she was still there, the
when she was ripped away, lost desire to even bathe or how to cook a meal. It's not the part of him that was saved. The memories overwhelming, they drop the tears. Wish he gave less time to work and career, but there were lots of good times, so good to hear her laugh. 'Cause in this mighty river, her love was his life raft. He's lost without the girl. He's lost without the girl. He's lost without the girl. Remembers every word, wants to turn back time and love her even more, and he takes a drink of his wine.